Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip. Welcome to the 15th match of the 2017 High-Q season, sponsored by New Horizons Credit Union. Today's match features students from Citronelle, Murphy, and the home team, Baker. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Now here's how the points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that area. The teams will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams can gain 1 point with a correct answer, and I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. All right, good luck, teams. First questions are in current events. To Baker. Give the full name of Japan's Prime Minister who visited Washington and Mar-a-Lago, meeting with President Trump to solidify their friendship.
Shinzo Abe.
That's right, 4 points. Murphy, give the name of the California dam that almost collapsed after torrential rainfall in February. Officials ordered the evacuation of nearly 200,000 people.
Oroville Dam.
That's right, 4 points. And Citronelle, give the full name of the National Security Advisor who was fired by President Trump after misleading Vice President Pence about contacts with Russia.
Michael Flynn.
Michael Flynn is right, 4 points. Have a great start for everybody in the match. Now we'll move to American history. To Baker. 3 nominees competed for the presidency in the 1924 election. The Republicans easily chose Calvin Coolidge as their candidate, while the squabbling Democrats settled for attorney John W. Davis. The new Progressive Party nominated a 69-year-old senator from Wisconsin. Give me the last name of the Progressive Party candidate in 1924.
Lafayette.
Yes, 4 points. Murphy, here's your question. Called the Magna Carta of Labor by Union leader Samuel Gompers, a law enacted in 1914 exempted unions and agricultural organizations from antitrust prosecution. It also conferred long overdue benefits on labor by legalizing strikes and peaceful picketing. Give the name of this law.
Sherman Antitrust.
Try again.
Department of Commerce and Labor.
Try again. Anybody want to buzz in on this? Baker.
OSHA.
No. Citronelle. No, it was the Clayton Antitrust Act. Clayton was what we needed. Citronelle, your question. The Public Works Administration was created in 1933 to provide recovery to industries and to give jobs to the unemployed. One of its spectacular achievements was the building of a dam on the Columbia River. This dam was the largest structure built by human hands since the Great Wall of China. Give the name of this dam.
Muscle Shoals Dam.
Try again.
Three Gorges Dam.
Try again.
Hoover Dam.
Try again. Okay, Baker or Murphy, anybody want to buzz in? No, it was the Grand Coulee Dam. The Grand Coulee Dam. No points. Topic is biology. Back to Baker. Give the name of the type of fruit, such as a peach or a plum, which is fleshy and contains a single large seed.
A dicot.
Try again.
A date.
Try again.
Domes.
No. Murphy.
Monocot.
No. Citronelle.
Unicot.
No. Drupe. D-R-U-P-E. Drupe.
Right.
Murphy, your question. Identify the type of fruit in which the fleshy portion of the fruit forms from the ovary, which is embedded in the swollen end of the flower stem that holds the petals.
Dicot,
Try again.
monocot,
Try again. Citronelle.
Pistols.
No. Baker.
Berry.
No. Pome. P-O-M-E. Citronelle. Identify the chemical substances produced in small quantities in one part of an organism that are transported to another part of an organism where they influence specific physiological processes.
Carbon.
Try again.
Glucose.
Try again. Nope. Baker.
Hormones.
Yes, hormones is right. 1 point. All right, now we're going to change the rules a little bit and ask a question in sports. Now, it's a toss-up question, so teams, hands on your buzzers. First team to push its buzzer answers first. You can buzz in the middle of the question if you like, but you take that risk that maybe some important information is still to come. So, good luck. Here's your question. The first National Football League Super Bowl was played on January 15, 1967 in Los Angeles, California. In 1995, Joe Montana's San Francisco 49ers single-game record of 5 passing touchdowns in a Super Bowl was bested by the 49ers quarterback who replaced him.
Steve Young.
That's right, Steve Young for Citronelle. Back to a regular question now. It's in literature. Back to Baker. In Kate Chopin's short story titled Wiser Than a God, give the first name of the young woman named Miss Stoltz who plays the piano and cares for her aging mother.
Paula.
That's right, 4 points. Murphy. In the short story titled The Very Old Man with Enormous Wings by Gabriel Garcia Marquez, tell the amount of money that Peleo's wife decided to charge per person as an admission fee to see the angel who lived for a time on the couple's property.
$5.
Try again.
$20.
Try again.
$15.
Try again.
10.
No. Citronelle.
25 cents.
Sorry. Baker.
$3.
5 cents. Citronelle, your question. In Ernest Hemingway's short story titled The Snows of Kilimanjaro, after getting a deadly infection, the man on the cot at the camp reviews his life and wishes he had taken better care of the scratch on his knee. Give the name of the medicine in retrospect the man wishes he had immediately put on the scratch to prevent the fatal case of gangrene.
Iodine.
That's right, 4 points. All right, now we're going to change the rules again. We're going to ask some questions in math. And in math, each team will have 60 seconds, as you can see, to give an answer for possible answers. And every team gets a copy of every question for possible bonus points. So, first math question goes exclusively to Baker. Everyone open your yellow math envelopes, please. Consider a triangle with vertices at A, B, and C, and designate the angles of the triangle by the same letters with sides opposite each vertex denoted by A equals 3, B equals 5, C equals 6 units in length. The cosine of angle A can be written as P over Q, with P and Q both positive integers with no common factor. What is the product of these two integers? What is PQ?
$18.
Try again.
$15.
Try again.
$30.
Try again. Ten seconds.
24.
Sorry. Citronelle?
30.
No. Murphy? Go ahead.
90.
195 was the answer we needed. No points on that. Next math question goes to Murphy, so everyone open your red math envelopes. For a prime positive integer p, the logarithm base p cubed of a very large number t is known to be 72, rounded. What is the logarithm base p to the 6th power of the same number, t? Thirty seconds left for Murphy.
144.
Try again. Seconds.
216.
Try again.
200.
Try again. Baker.
131.
Sorry. Citronelle.
184.
36. All right, we'll try this question with Citronelle. Everyone open your blue math envelopes. Determine all real numbers x for which the logarithm base 5 of 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. Your answer should be an integer. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds.
$23.
Try again. Nope. Murphy.
64.
64 is correct. Very good. We're going to leave math behind for the time being. We'll come back to it later. And now let's ask some questions in Shakespeare. Baker, here's your question. In Much Ado About Nothing, tell the total number of ducats the character named Borachio is paid for his role in the plot to ruin the wedding plans of Hero and Claudio.
1,000.
That's right, 4 points. Murphy, in King Lear, give the name of King Lear's eldest daughter.
Goneril.
That's right, 4 points. Citronelle, in The Merchant of Venice, give the first name of the kind and generous friend who agrees to repay Bassanio's loan from Shylock.
Antonio.
Yes, 4 points, correct. Our topic is geography. Back to Baker. The Taurus Mountains in Turkey lie along the coastline of a large body of water. Give the name of this body of water.
Black Sea.
Try again.
Caspian Sea.
Try again.
Mediterranean Sea.
Yes, the Mediterranean, 2 points. Murphy, people are a valuable asset in any nation. Many countries in Southwest Asia are providing opportunities for better education and more technical training. Give the phrase that means the skills and talents of a nation's working people.
Labor specialty.
Try again.
Specialization.
Try again. Baker.
Human resources.
Yes, human resources is correct. Citronelle, your question in geography. The capital of the United Arab Emirates sits off the mainland on an island in the Persian Gulf. Give me the name of this capital city.
Abu Dhabi.
Right, 4 points. All right, we're halfway through our competition right now. Murphy has 9 points, and Baker and Citronelle are tied at 20 points.
New Horizons Credit Union has been serving its members and the community since 1950. New Horizons Credit Union is a proud supporter of the arts, civic activities, local charities, and higher education, including sponsoring annual scholarship opportunities open to all high schools. Visit New Horizons online at newhcu.org to learn about upcoming supported events that help make this area a great place to live. New Horizons Credit Union, offering its members solutions for the real world.
Now we're going to ask some questions in chemistry. Good luck, teams. Score as many points as you can. Baker, here's your chemistry question. State the name of the lowercase letter used to refer to atomic orbitals in which the angular momentum quantum number is 3.
D.
Try again.
P.
Try again.
L.
Yes. Murphy, your question in chemistry. Give the name of the insoluble compound that is the active ingredient in milk of magnesia.
Magnesium.
Try again. Baker.
Magnesium hydroxide.
That's right. Citronelle. Give the pH value at the equivalence point for a strong acid reacting with a strong base.
7.
That's right. 4 points. Art history is our next topic. Back to our home team. This artist worked in various European cities. Like many German romantics of the second half of the 19th century, he traveled to Italy, attracted by the myths of classical art. He was also fascinated by mysterious and visionary themes as seen in his 1882 painting titled The Sacred Wood. Give the last name of this German artist.
Gauguin.
Try again.
Bernard.
Try again.
Baudelaire.
Try again.
Bernard.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. Don't buzz in early. Citronelle.
Monk.
What was it?
Monk.
No. Murphy.
Go.
No, it was Arnold Böcklin. Böcklin is what we needed. Murphy. In Paul Signac's painting titled The Milliner, 2 women sit at a table making hats. One woman in the left foreground of the painting reaches down to pick up an object off the floor. Identify the object she's trying to pick up.
Scissors.
That's right, 4 points. Citronelle. Pierre Puvis de Chavannes is a symbolist painter. In one of his paintings, Puvis depicts a bearded man standing on a small boat, dressed in simple clothing, black pants, and a sleeveless gray shirt. The boat is docked on a waterway, and a woman and child can be seen foraging for food in the marshy grass beside a waterway. Give the name of the painting.
The Old Man of the Sea.
Try again.
Old man in a boat in the waterway.
Try again.
The fisherman.
Try again.
The old fisherman.
No. Teams wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. Baker?
The Poor Fisherman.
The Poor Fisherman is right. 1 point. Time to change the rules a little bit. We're going to ask some questions in team choice. Before the match began, each team chose the topic it wanted to be quizzed on. There's 4 points for a correct answer, but the twist in team choice is that there's only one answer per team. So teams, if I rule the original team's answer wrong, or you hear the answer and you know it's wrong, you can buzz in immediately and get 2 points with a correct answer. So Baker, you chose geography. Again, just one answer, please. Here's your question. Education is highly valued in Israel, where most students attend school until the age of 18. However, one Southwest Asia country has attained a literacy rate higher than that of Israel. Name the country in Southwest Asia with the highest literacy rate.
Qatar.
Sorry. Citronelle.
Lebanon.
No. Murphy.
United Arab.
Cyprus. Cyprus was the answer, the island country. No points. All right, Murphy, you chose American history. Again, just one answer. In the summer of 1933, 66 nations planned to hold a conference to stabilize the values of the nation's currencies. Although President Roosevelt at first agreed to send American representatives, he later withdrew his cooperation because he was unwilling to sacrifice domestic recovery for the sake of international cooperation. Give the name of the city where this conference was scheduled to be held.
Paris.
Sorry. Baker.
Potsdam.
No. Citronelle.
Versailles.
No. London. Citronelle, you chose Shakespeare. In King Lear, Albany hears of the death of this character slain by his servant for attempting to blind Gloucester. Give the name of this nobleman who was slain by his servant.
Cornwall.
That's right, 4 points. Time for our second toss-up of the match. In this case, it's literature. So again, teams, hands on your buzzers. As soon as you know the answer, buzz in. At the conclusion of Kate Chopin's short story titled Miss McInders, tell the color of the flowers.
White.
That's right. That she received from her fiancé, but throws in a sooty fireplace, and that was the right answer. Topic is physics now. Back to Baker. Give the name of the phenomenon that occurs when a wave passes from one medium to another that results in a change in direction the wave travels.
Refraction.
Refraction is right. Murphy, give the name of the nuclear process whereby two light nuclei combine to form a heavy nucleus.
Nuclear fusion.
Yes, that's right, fusion. Citronelle, state the name of the quantity that measures an object's rotational inertia.
Torque.
Try again.
RPM.
Try again.
Angular momentum.
No. Baker.
Momentum.
No, sorry. Murphy? No answer. The moment of inertia. That's what we were looking for. No points. American government is our topic. Back to our home team. In 1970, a temporary ban was put on the use of these tests as the basis for any voting requirement. The ban was made permanent in 1975. Give the name of the tests that were banned.
Literacy test.
That's right. 4 points. Murphy, at the center of the political spectrum is a group of people who hold beliefs that fall between liberal and conservative views. Give the name of this group of people.
Centralist.
Try again.
Moderates.
Yes, moderate. 3 points. Citronelle, during the 1963 March on Washington, the famous I Have a Dream speech was delivered to a crowd of more than 200,000 people. Give the full name of the civil rights leader who delivered this speech.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
That's right.
Reverend Dr.
4 points. Topic is world history. To Baker. 3 schools of political thought prevailed in Europe during the first half of the 1800s. Middle-class business leaders and merchants held one philosophy. They believed in giving more power to elected parliaments, but would only allow educated men and landowners to vote. Give the name of this school of thought. Five seconds.
The bourgeoisie class.
Try again.
Tennisism.
Try again.
Huguenots.
Nope. Murphy.
Humanism.
No. Citronelle.
Stoics.
No. Liberal. We're called liberals. Murphy. A new way of thinking about the natural world began to develop in the mid-1500s. Old assumptions were replaced by new theories based on careful observation and questioning of accepted beliefs. Give the phrase by which this new European thinking is known.
Enlightenment.
Try again.
Humanism.
Try again.
Scientific revolution.
Yes, scientific revolution. 2 points. Citronelle. The Minister of Finance under Louis XIV believed in the theory of mercantilism. In his opinion, France must be self-sufficient and not rely on imports from other countries in order to be great. Give the last name of this minister.
Colbert.
That's right, 4 points. It wasn't Stephen, it was Jean-Baptiste. Down to the last question. Today's contest. It's a math toss-up worth 4 points. Ready, teams? Open your math envelopes now. If X, Y, and Z and W are real numbers which satisfy the equation quantity X minus 17 squared plus quantity Y plus 2 squared plus quantity Z minus 3 squared plus quantity W plus 5 squared, determine the value of X plus Y plus Z plus W. Thirty seconds, teams. Baker.
Negative 13.
Sorry. Murphy or Citronelle? It's up to you. Citronelle.
1.
Sorry. Murphy. The answer was 13. Final score today, Murphy with 22, Baker and Citronelle tied with 36 points. Congratulations to everybody.